Example number 4. If an object moves in a straight line with position function s equal f of t, then the average velocity between t equal to a and t equal to b is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. And you recall that the average velocity is the slope of the secant line. And the velocity at t equal to c is f prime of c. So what is f prime of c? Is the slope of the tangent line. The slope of the secant line is the average velocity. The slope of the tangent line is the instantaneous velocity. By the mean value theorem, they are both equal. Now let's go back to the mean value theorem. So this part is mean the slope of the tangent line, and this is mean the slope of the secant line. In this situation, one is the velocity, average velocity, and one is the instantaneous velocity. And by the mean value theorem, they are equal. So, for instance, if a car traveled 180 kilometers in 2 hours, then there must be some point that the speedometer must have reached 90 kilometers per hour at least once. Example number 5. Suppose that f of 0 equal to negative 3 and f prime of x less than or equal to 5 for all values of x. How large can f of 2 possibly be? We do not know the function f of x, but we kind of try to get the mean value theorem in this problem. So let's bring down the mean value theorem. So I'm going to use this one. So we will have f of 2 minus f of 0. So I consider the interval from 0 to 2 equal f prime of c and then 2 minus 0. So we have b minus a. So f of 2 minus f of 0 equal 2 minus 0 is 2. So we have 2 f prime of c. Then f of 2 equal f of 0 plus 2 f prime of c. What do we know about f of 0 is negative 3. The problem is given plus 2 f prime of c. Okay, so we have one more information that we do not use. So we know that f prime of x is less than or equal to 5. So this is the same thing that f prime of c is less than or equal to 5. For the value of c, for any value of c in the interval from 0 to 2, and this is true. Okay, now this is what we want to get. So let's try to get that from the right hand side. We want to get the right hand side. So let's multiply both sides by 2. Then we get 5 times 2 for this inequality. So 2 f prime of c less than or equal to 10. And what if I minus 3 both sides? Then I will have negative 3 plus 2 f prime of c less than or equal to 7. So we already have the right hand side, and that is, look at the yellow box, this is mean f of 2. So f of 2 less than or equal to 7. Then we answer the question, how large can f of 2 possibly be? We will answer that f of 2 can possibly be 7. This is for the largest number.